Alright, so I just woke up. Here is the game room. So you got the ATM right over here. You got this table, the poker chips, and darts. Gotta have cards, of course. So you got these arcade games. You actually have to pay for them, and that's why there's an ATM machine, because you gotta pay to play these arcade games. And then there's a dart machine. This is where you gotta stand in line to get that dart. There's the TV, pool sticks. Here's the pool table, ping pong table. So it seems like every man camp's about the same. Foosball, poker table, and you got this arcade game, and then the couch and TV. So here's the game room, pretty much. Then you got the internet cafe right there. So yeah. Alright, what's up, y'all? Mecca here. As you can see, I'm laying down. Kind of dirty on my bed. But anyways, I'm just laying down. I'm in the semi, chilling. Not really supposed to let people know that I'm recording, but so yeah, I'm just taking a nap. So usually when we're working, we're outside pumping sand and all that crap into the well of the oil, and then once we're done, we do it for like an hour, maybe an hour and a half. After we're done, then we have like a 3-hour break, because there's another crew that has to, send down more like wires and stuff down the well. While they're doing that, it takes like 2-3 hours for them to do it, and then that's when we can start pumping again. So yeah, in the meantime, 2-3 hours, we're just chilling. I'm in this truck. The other guys are in the next truck over me, but hold on, see them right there. Yeah, so they're in their own trucks, and but yeah, it's pretty cool. Wish I had internet out here or something, but my phone doesn't have any service. If you come to North Dakota, AT&T is the way to go. I mean, not AT&T, that's what I have right now, but get Verizon. Verizon is the way to go. Yeah, because Verizon has coverage anywhere, and I have AT&T. It has coverage back at where I'm staying at, but there's no coverage out here where we're drilling down in the oil rig. So yeah, Verizon is the way to go. I'm gonna be switching my service over to Verizon soon once I get paid, baby. Anyways, alright, y'all, just thought I'd share a little quick, of my life listening to rock music. Let me close the curtains so I can go to bed. Alright, good night.